So as promised, I wanted to show you our corset solution that we're currently working on. We are making a big printer that is 60 times 60 times 60 centimeters. So it is big enough to print an adult corset like this one in one single print. We are using the material polypropylene or PP that is also commonly used for orthopedic corsets or spinal braces. It's quite flexible, and in the beginning actually the feedback we got that it was a little bit too flexible. So we implemented an internal structure that you can see here, which makes it stronger, but we still keep it fairly thin and lightweight. Then usually some foam is glued on to make it extra strong in certain parts. Instead of making the corset thicker and more chunky, we actually implemented some thicker or more dense internal structures. You can see an example here maybe on the camera. So here it is quite rigid. It's very stiff and I can hardly bend it. So these structures we can implement where the patient needs extra support, and we can make it even more rigid or different degrees of flexible. Also, we will be able to implement the holes for airflow, such as this orthopedic cast that's also printed in PP. We can make bigger, rounder holes, of course, where the patient needed, or we can make different smaller holes. This whole structure is optimized for additive manufacturing, so that is something where we can play with different areas of either making it more stiff or making holes for airflow.